About 1,500 quid.
It's different. I can't see where the sun is and all sorts of it.
Well, I've got all the workers.
Yeah, we'll have a look at it. This walks in on it.
Oh, look at that.
Especially with that size helix on it. They've wedged that thing tight again now. Is that what he was doing up the ladder?
No, that one's tighter. I think, isn't it?
Oh, is it? Because of the way it's manufactured, it's just a bit longer, is it?
I think so. Oh no, they have put the things in.
Something under it, yeah.
Yeah, but it's like I said to Tony, the only problem is the bit that connects to the, or it's connected to the torque motor.
Yeah.
Where the holes are, if they were drilled higher, it wouldn't be an issue, would it?
Well, you know what I mean.
You see where you've got that sort of loop bit,
Yeah.
like that, in the hole?
Yeah.
On the actual circular bit, connected to the torque motor,
Yeah.
if the holes were moved up,
Yeah, it would
the whole
wedge
thing-
against the bottom. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, yeah.
so
Which effectively is what they're going to do. But they left it like that so they had some play in it, and then they realised, well, actually, we don't want play in it because they play in two lots at the top.
yeah.
So they don't need a third one that moves. So they can adjust the manufacture of that then easily enough to make sure it's... Keep good, Philip. Straight to Edward Contact. 610 on the right in the end, alright? Straight down like that, so it's on the zone, set it straight in. Same as surprising how much compression you get inside the tube of the soil. That soil then is about 4 feet down. Yeah. So fair old scorching down the soil, they're on the old Empire State Road now.
The molehill.
Yeah.
It's big moles.
Where's Marcus these days? He's off the road.
Ain't easy moving this thing. It's going to be the jerkiest looking bit of filming I've ever done. Can't do it.
Goodman's had enough, he's fucked off.
He's gone to look around for some metal that he can pikey tonight and flog tomorrow.
Labouring a bit now.
Did this earlier and it started creaking. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Same as that's like all my car. A car, it's all going out and then the car's quite high.
that'll drive your wheels around really fast, though, mate.
Not at that speed.
So that'll drive your wheels around really fast, though.
plate is warping now.
This ain't good for our viewers.
How long is it? 4 metres? 3.5 metres?
Like that.
Get ready to duck, because if that snaps, it's fucking going everywhere.
Be a monster go first, eh?
So on that basis, you'd want to fucking capture that, not capture the connection plate every fucking time they screw the part.
Yeah.
Let's make it bigger and put the email plate on it. Probably dodge that to make it fit. It's twisted the motor in and it's gone.
Good job, bud.
As quick as I thought it was going to be.
Nah.
I think there's a lot of fucking talk in that, isn't there?
I don't think Andy's given the beans. I think we need to get up there, Ollie.
Oh yeah, get out of the way.